So now let's see how we can work around with shapes inside of Blender. So in order to work around with shapes, you can see that on the left side, you can see that there are shapes right here. In 2D animation mode, you can use these. So let's start with line. So if I were to click on line, click and drag this, then this is what I have. I can press enter and you can see that the line is there. You can go around and then work around with polyline as well. So polyline is where you can draw out line, click and drag again to change out the shape. As you can see, you can pull out different lines right here and make a shape as you wish right there. And that is how it actually works. You can go around over here and then you can click here, press enter, and there you go. That is how you can work around with polyline. Then you have arc, which you can click and drag to create an arc. And in the arc, you can see that there's this little point which you can use to pull things around. You can click this to change the bendings and so forth and press enter, and that is how it works. Then you have the curve. So if I were to click this, you can see that there's the curve. I can click and drag this. I can click and drag this. I can pull this. I can pull this and press enter, and that is how it works. Then you have a box. So if I were to click around, you can see that this is the box. I can pull this around right here. I can pull this around right here, press enter, and that is how it works. Then you have circle. I can click and drag this, and this is what you have. You can click and drag this out to change around the size of the circle, as you can see. So you can press enter, and that is how it works. And that is how you can work around with shapes inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.